Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to active Gemini on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I'm provide full guide, and if you have facing any problem and provide solution. So let's get start. Simply you just open your Google Apps. Make sure to sign in Gmail account. Press on to profile. Press on settings. As you can see, showing it to Gemini option. Press on, click on use Gemini. Okay, and you get this. Press on and you get this interface. Press on turn on. I agree. Say okay Google, help me write a thank you note. Now say okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Now say hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Now say hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, now finally done. Make sure to turn on overall setup. Go back, make sure to connect your internet, and you just say hey Google, what's the weather in tomorrow? And you can enjoy this feature. Thank you. If you have any question, let me know in my comment box.